Hey guys, it's Kiki, and today I'm going to be showing you guys 15 hacks to be motivated to study. So my second ever video was actually extremely similar to this one, but the hacks in this video are very different. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. The first hack is to use a to-do note. Using a to-do list will not only keep you organized, but you will know exactly what you need to do. I find that doing this motivates me because I know exactly what I need to do and I won't have to remember everything I need to do, and instead I can just write it all down. The second hack is to plan out everything you need to do and break tasks into small parts. Basically, all you do is write out everything you need to do, which you did in the first hack, then break it down into small parts, and set how long it will take you to do it. The third hack is to try to beat the clock. This ties in with the previous two, but with the times you allocated when you broke your tasks into small parts, you basically want to try and beat the clock with it. So if you say something takes half an hour to do, try to finish it in 25 minutes or quicker than 30 minutes. This is so easy, yet it keeps me so motivated. The fourth hack is to use the Pomodoro Technique. So I've mentioned this so many times on my channel, but basically the Pomodoro Technique is 25 minutes study, 5 minutes break. Repeat that 4 times and then a 15 to 30 minute break. I like to use this app called Focus, which uses the Pomodoro Technique, and it helps me stay and be motivated. The fifth hack is to give yourself rewards and breaks. This one ties in with the previous one, but basically make sure to make time for breaks and give yourself rewards after you study for a couple hours or if you complete a task. This is because there are so many benefits of taking breaks, including allowing you to be more motivated. The sixth hack is to have something to eat and drink by your side. When studying, always make sure to have a drink beside you and, if you can, a snack. I like to eat nuts like cashews, walnuts, or pumpkin seeds. This keeps me motivated and helps me concentrate on my studies. The seventh hack is to listen to some study music. When studying, try to listen to some study music. There are a ton of these on the internet, so I find that this keeps me focused and motivated. The eighth hack is to get new stationery. This is great for when you are really lacking motivation. Just go to any store of your choice and get a couple new pens, or you could get some interesting stationery. I found that this motivates me so much, so I would definitely recommend this if you are really desperate. The ninth hack is to take neat notes. This is actually one of my main sources of motivation for studying, as the more I study, the more notes I get to write. Also, when your notes are aesthetically pleasing, you are more likely to look at them and to study off them. I have many videos on this, so I'll leave the playlists up in the cards. The 10th hack is to clean your study area. Having a clean study area makes studying so much easier and also helps motivate you. Try and get rid of everything on your desk except the essentials that you actually need. The 11th hack is to study in a group. I find that when you study with someone else or in a group, it's much easier to be motivated to study. If there are study groups at your school, try to be in one, or you could create your own study group. The 12th hack is to find a study method that works for you. So I think this one is just so important. So try to find a study method that works for you. Like for me, I find that taking notes works for me. I have a whole video on different study methods, so I'll leave the link up in the cards. The 13th hack is to watch TED Talks. Before you start a long study session, take 10 minutes or so to watch an inspirational TED Talk. I find that this motivates me so much to start studying. The 14th hack is to avoid procrastination. I know that this is so much easier said than done, but try to avoid procrastination at all costs. I have a whole video on this, so I'll leave the link up in the cards. The 15th hack is don't feel guilty. I find that guilt is one of the worst things to feel when studying, as it can make you feel very demotivated. Whenever you feel guilty about not studying or procrastination, do whatever you can to help get rid of that feeling. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below if you guys are subscribed or not, because I'm really curious. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below what video you would like to see next. Bye guys, happy studying!